Okay, we're gonna give this jump starter a shot here. We've got this car here on the trailer. It needs to come off. The battery is dead. Julie's got the little case here. We just got this thing shipped to us, and perfect time to be able to try it out. Let's hook one to this stud. Do the hot one first.
Do that. Looks like it's been
And
done
then
a few times.
do it to that stud up there.
Will it reach that far?
I hope so.
I don't know. Is that on there? There we go. Now what?
I guess if that's set long enough, I need to turn it back on. I'll hold this if you want to go run around there and try to start it.
Okay.
It's 62% now, so it is taking a charge. And it worked.
JF Eagle, keep energized.